happy to see all of you here and to hopefully experience something which is part of what ties us together in Fuson, which is public speaking and being driven and being passionate about growing, about personal development, about leadership.
Who of you felt at least once terrified ahead of giving a very important speech in your life? Raise your hand. Thank you. You can put the hands down. And who of you felt terrified more than once? Thank you. Well, I am not alone. Things happened, and I'm very happy to introduce today Barbara Rogorski, who is here with her signature masterclass, How to Tell a Story as a TED Speaker. Barbara.
The theater goes dark. The spotlight hits the red circle in the middle of the stage. You can feel the excitement. You can feel everybody getting excited for what's going to happen. And you're standing in the back of the stage and you're mic'd up, you're ready to go. You practiced your speech for several weeks with a coach or not a coach, hopefully with a coach. You're ready to go. You come out on the stage and you see the people, or maybe you don't, they're in the dark, and you deliver the speech of your life, your TED Talk.
We saw a great session from Barbara today. I thought it was very powerful. She went through everything from common tips to movement to variety in your tones, what not to do, and how to tell a great TED Talk. I'm feeling TED Talk ready now.
We had a fantastic workshop today with Barbara here in the middle of Amsterdam, but it was fantastic to hear how something that you think flows so naturally out of it, a story, actually has a lot of structure behind it, and how plotting everything out well in advance and bringing tonality and the 5 key story points that you mentioned to us, you can really elevate your stories from middle class to really something exceptional.
Everything she said was just to the point, super practical, very insightful. My takeaway, power of 3. Everything should be 3, 3, 3, and people remember it, and wow beginning, wow end. So I'm taking with me a lot.
Thank you so much. Photo together, ladies.